everybody, it's me Denise with Lily Pop Love. So glad you come see us today. We are on day 19. Just 6 days left. But maybe we got some good stuff today. I don't know. I haven't opened it. I haven't watched anybody else's. I'm trying hard not to do that. But, you know, when them other ladies come on there showing it, I'm like, don't look, don't look, don't look. But we're going to watch Jenny open it, see what we have, and look at her earrings, see what she's wearing. So fun, so fun, so fun.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 19. So I thought we would bring out all the fun today. What do you think? All right, let's see what we have for day 19. All right, let's look in here. Oh, here we go. Day 19.
Oh, I always forget.
Let's see here. What do we got? Oh, I love it. Okay. So this is quilting puzzles. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but I love the word searches. I love the crosswords. I love all the puzzles. You get 2 Missouri Star pencils with erasers in case you make a mistake. But of course you won't. And this whole book is filled with fun puzzle things. I love doing this. I love the word rearranging things and I just think this is so much fun. And it's all quilty. It's all for us. Happy Quilter Variety Puzzles. So I hope you have fun with this. You know, in our house, over the Christmas time until New Year's, we call it the time of Christmas peace. And that's what I'm going to be doing, all my Christmas puzzles. So I hope you have fun with the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Well, this is different. These are really super cute pencils. I want the fabric that's on them. I would definitely take that fabric right there. That teal and aqua. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So we got a 60 plus large print word puzzles for people who love to sew. Crossword puzzles. Logic puzzles. Crisscrosses. Word minds. Roundups. Word searches. Word scrambles. Lots of choices for all word lovers. Words don't control me, says Dane Cook. I control the words. Great for guilds, classes, shop hops, and more. Give your favorite quilter or sewist the gift of entertainment. Test yourself on Missouri Star Quilt Company trivia. Now, I love the word searches. Those are my favorite. I started doing crosswords puzzles. Yeah. I like them, but they're a little hard to me because I'm so bright. I don't know what the logic is. Let's see. Logic word minds. There are word minds. Just an example. I do play those little games on the apps, so that might be like that, you know, pick how many. That's like that. I think that's like that game I play on my app on my phone or my iPad. So yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. So go get you guys one when you don't have anything to do. We're so much on our phones now, you know. It's just easy to pick a puzzle on your phone, but this will get that hand moving that pencil again. So, I like it. I love these little pencils. So, y'all tell me what you think below. Do you like it? I like it. It's not scrubbing pads. I'm good. Y'all give a like and subscribe. Hit my face down there. And click that subscribe button. And we'll come back and see you guys tomorrow. Help me get to 500 so I can give y'all some free stuff. So See you tomorrow. Have a great Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. Have a great Tuesday. Bye-bye.